Cześć! I'm very happy to welcome you after a short break. I hope you are doing great and enjoying these summer months wherever you are. July brings the sudden change in weather. After a heat wave, the temperature dropped down drastically and brought relief to those who needed it. I, on the other hand, already miss the hot sunny days. I want to enjoy all that the season has to offer. That's why I made pierogi with strawberries. It's one of my favorite dishes. Ever since I was a little girl, my grandma made them for the whole family, and she taught me how to prepare them. How to knead and roll out the dough, cut the perfect circle, to choose the proper size of strawberries, and form a pierogi. Years went by, and now I make them for my kids. They really love a sweet dinner too. If you'd like to have the recipe, check out my blog at annavictoriahome.com. Don't forget to visit my site and take part in our contest. You can win the prize worth over 230 euros. Before the cooler days started, I could enjoy eating them in the garden. At the turn of June and July is the season when the fireflies start glowing. Every year my kids can't sleep and are very excited to watch them. The thing that I am excited for is the makeover of my vanity table. I received it as a gift from my husband, but after 10 years it needed a little care and attention. Fabrics always bring more softness to the space, and you know that I absolutely adore the irises. That's why I have chosen my iris fabric to make the tablecloth for my vanity. The perfect way to adorn it was adding lilac trim. I designed the pleated pattern for a more beautiful full look. This crystal mirror was the inspiration for the reflection of beauty linens. That's why it's a natural fit. I decorated the table with my perfumes and jewelry, and included the pink orchid that fits here perfectly. It's nice to have a corner all to myself, to do my makeup and care routines. But it's not finished quite yet. I took a moment and browsed through my old art books. Turning all the pages and flipping through the most beautiful pieces of art, I found the ones that I think would fit perfectly into my workspace. I love the white framing that gives it a room to breathe and make the art stand out a little more. I felt enchanted by this wonderful portrait of Marie Adelaide de France as Diana by Jean-Marc Natier. Now I have to figure out the placement for the artwork. If you have smaller art, you can use this trick and hang the bigger frame without the backing and the little one inside. Thanks to the passepartout, the paintings are corresponding to each other and go well together. I had small chores to do in the garden. Catmints, geraniums and roses to cut. Eryngium needed support. And doing a little trimming to my hedge, so it finally starts looking like a real hedge. I love this time of the year and gardening. These jobs give me a sense of fulfillment, and the garden repays me with the joy of beautiful flowers. I realized lately that I didn't paint for a while. That's why I decided to finally prepare my workspace and find the time to create my artwork every day. I want to share my process with you and start a new series to motivate me to do the things I love doing the most. My garden is giving me a ton of inspiration. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about that. Are you interested? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and that I inspired you to do your own makeovers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This helps me tremendously. I will see you very soon. Bye!